Alright, we are at Blizzard Beach, and this place is awesome. Highly recommend Blizzard Beach. There's Andy. We're in the wave pool, hanging out, relaxing. Had a couple of busy days, so today we're gonna be very low. Go to Magic Kingdom later, kind of relax. Before then, look at how cool this place is. So it's like you're on a ski resort, but you're not. Ooh, sorry about that. Here's everybody just hanging out. It's awesome.
Yeah, so let's
Right over here. Got some serious wave action. We even have real sand. All the little huts. I think we're gonna have a nice day. Alright, there they are again. Oh, Josh is coming back. Let's see, there's Olivia under the water. Here he is. Poor boy. I think we're okay. And we're going back out. Did Andy just... Good thing I'm watching him.